Okay, it's that time of year for us weekend warriors to make a giant foggy display in the front of the house for Halloween. If you're a DJ and you're using fog machines regularly, you might be wondering, is this fog juice any good? And I don't know. I bought it for myself. I'm not sponsored. Looked like it was going to make sense, so let's take it out, see how it works, and you'll know if it's any good or not. All right, I thought it was time to test out the fog juice, right? So I have a basic 600 watt machine here. I really thought it was time to test it out, see how it works. Let's fill it up, see how it goes. All right, let's light this bad boy up. Of course, I turn it on record right as the wind starts to blow, but I still think it's pretty obvious. This smoke works great. Fog juice is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I have no issues recommending this at all. Actually, as an additional little piece of information, I find this to be much less fragrant than most fog juices that I've tried in the past. That could be either a good or a bad thing depending upon, I kind of like the way they smell, but it doesn't smell bad. Has that light smell of that eucalyptus, I guess it is, but not very heavy. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.